Hey, good morning, family. How are we doing, guys? Well, let's go over Matic today. So, if you guys watched the Bitcoin video, you know that I just injected $14,000 and our new break even for the account is $150,000. I think we're sitting down with the math here like 10.7%. We're doing like really well over here. It probably sounds arrogant, but most accounts are down around 50 to 60% right now. We've only experienced, at the moment down about 11%, and it's because we're using very good risk management. So I'm going to go over some price predictions today, and then I'm also going to be most likely entering into Matic with the 14,000, but I'll show you guys exactly what I'm entering into in the Telegram channel later today. Currently, we're sitting at 102 for 102 wins with the program we use to trade crypto. I'll show you exactly how I'm doing that in this video, so stick around to the end and you guys will see that, okay? As well as how to get access into the Telegram channel. Real quick, guys, you know this if you've been following me for a little while here. These three indicators that we have that we never take off our charts, we're going to be upping the price of these in 2 days. This Friday, the prices go up for these indicators, so make sure you guys snag them or get the bundle pack, which is 81% off right now today, so make sure you guys snag it as well. I'll show you guys that later. Let's get into the analysis, though. Trend dashboard. Here's what I'm looking at. Retail traders are probably getting confused this morning, if we're all just being honest. Majority of their moving averages, the major ones at least, are all bearish. So we've got price action below moving averages in here, okay? What we see over here, however, is that the RSI stochastic and MACD is bullish. So people are buying. So I think this is going to get people a little bit, they're trying to figure out what to do this morning. I want to pull this trend line for us all to see here. If you guys take a trend line, go like this, and then drop this straight down, just like that, we are hitting this point right now, which is what's called a descending resistance. All right. Well, let me show you guys something of why I am expecting a drop on Matic, okay? This is what I do. I do this with my hedge funds that I coach. I do this with the guys that I talk to on Skype calls. This is what I'm looking at, guys. I never take my eyes off these two indicators. If you guys understand the power of these two and why we honestly, guys, we make people a ton of money. Like I'm talking tens of thousands of dollars if you look at the profits. Here's all I do. Let's keep trading really simple. Can we do that? All right, having the highest win rate on all of YouTube, I keep things simple. That's just my MO is simple, and keep it simple. All right, what we see over here is when the trend exhaustion gets to the top red section and the well money flow is high as well, this is where I'm looking for drops back down in the market, and that's exactly what we ended up experiencing here. The previous time before that, trend exhaustion got high, well money flow got high, we saw the drop in the market, okay? Previous time before that, we pushed up into the top red section here, well money flow was pushing up, definitely coming up from the low here, and that's where we ended up getting this drop over here, okay? And previous time before that, trend exhaustion got high, well money flow was high. We saw the top. This is where the market crashed, guys. We are literally calling the global markets with these indicators. Trend exhaustion consolidates up here around this area, and what do we see? We could not go up any higher before we moved back down. It called the drop here with the well money flow, clearly calling that drop there. It called a drop over here before it happened. We had some people over email and be like, are these indicators leading or lagging? These are absolutely what's called leading indicators. They tell you what's going to happen before it happens. It's why we honestly, I don't know if it kind of sounds weird to say this, but it's honestly why we sell so much of this indicator, these two. We have actually the highest purchased product for indicators on all of Gumroad. That's who we partnered with. I don't know if you guys know of Gumroad, but we're actually the number one product on Gumroad for indicators, for trading. Our bundle pack, because are you guys seeing the accuracy here? Like, I don't want to turn this into like a pump video or anything like that, but I use these, and when I get on the phone calls with people who have millions of dollars, I'm like, look, here's the thing. Here is what you need to understand right now. The trend exhaustion is so high, and it's clearly called the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, looking for 10 drops in a row. And I can go back here and show you guys how it called the drop over here. So we're looking at this 11th drop right here. We're even looking at the 12th drop over here. This is that move. And then the 13th drop right here is when we saw this move up and it dropped back down. We can say the 14th if we went over here, the 15th. So we can see this move right here. If you go straight up, it called that drop. So this would be the 15th over here, and then the 16th over here. And that's as much as we can actually put on our chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Looking for the 16th drop. So 15 calls in a row. Well money flow high, trend exhaustion high. It's calling the drops. I don't want to take time to do this, but you guys can look for yourself. The same thing happens with the trend exhaustion when it gets low and well money flow is low. This is when we're actually starting to see the market moves back up in the market. We saw this pump back up here. We saw this move up here, and we ended up seeing this call correctly over here. Trend exhaustion low, and then we started seeing this move back up here. We got divergence. Money started flowing into the market here while price action started to head down, which is what we get the greatest explosions with. Does that make sense, guys? Let me show this to you one more second. I know I'm spending just a little bit more time on this, but literally I'd be going over this if you guys were, $1 million hedge fund on the phone with me right now. I'd be like, okay, do you guys see what's happening here? What happened was price action actually made a low and another lower low, trapping a bunch of short traders. And what we saw down here behind the scenes, if you guys were able to have this, is that the well money flow in green here was going up. Trend exhaustion was going up. Hint, hint, this is where explosions happen in the market and where the price actually starts going up very fast. That's why this explosion happened. The flow of well money was not following price action. They were buying. I'm going to prove this to you guys with our metrics now. Come over here with me. Take a look at this. Matic up here at the top. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics are going to update, as well as our trade entries, which I'll show you guys how to get there in a second, so you can take some trades with me today. Emotional index is sitting in the fearful section. Okay, fearful section, guys, on retail traders means pumps are coming. Period. It's because institutions and whales buy the fear of retail traders. Look what happened down here last time we got into fear. What happened? A market pump. Last time we got into anxiety, what happened? A crazy market pump. The previous time before that, we got into a fearful section. The actual only bull run we've seen like pretty much in the second half of 2021. Okay? Do you guys see that? Even down here, we pushed into this anxious section. We saw the bull run. This is why I've been so bullish lately, and I injected $49,000 into my Coinbase account, guys, and I've been telling you guys to buy this dip like there's no tomorrow. I'm seeing signs here where crypto could start getting extremely bullish. Yes, crypto could go down further. We've got buy limits. I don't care if it goes down further. We celebrate more if it goes down further, but if you guys understand how to read emotional indexes in the market, the EQ, emotional quotient of the market, this is where you guys can start making a lot of money. If you consistently are losing trades, it's because you guys are trading emotionally and you're trading into the pump. When the pump is getting retail traders very excited and greedy in here, this is where institutions are actually shorting you guys out. I'll prove this to you. Follow me down here. Trades in favor. We are definitely seeing the metric value hovering around this good long trade. So I'm gonna follow this. I'm gonna get into Matic today. I love Matic. I think it has incredible potential. So I will be dedicating part of my $14,000 into Matic and maybe a couple other coins. I'll call it out on Telegram so you guys can follow me. Well, institutional smart money. Okay, do you guys remember what I just showed you guys? Everyone getting really excited in the market. Prices going up. What's happening? Short trades coming out with smart money, dropping the price back down. Cool. Well, price is crashing. Everyone's doing what? They are getting fearful. Do you guys see the structure right here? Everyone's getting fearful in the market. What am I doing and what are all the smart guys doing out there? Smart money. They're buying. Look at this metric value, guys, here. You can't have a price structure go down when you start getting these metrics in here. That's what turned the market around. Seriously, guys, look at what's happening right now. This is why I've been so bullish lately and I'm buying so much. Guys, with your membership, you get access to all these metrics. Use them and make as much money as you want. This is showing us that this is clearly a sign where the market can start turning around, and I'm buying with wealth institutions and smart money, okay? Look at this down here, support and resistance prices. Where are we going to head up and stall if we see a move back up? I think the structure is going to be at $2. Why $2? Not only is it a very strong structure resistance, but it also correlates to what's called a whole number. Okay, we never came down here and hit our third buy limit. We got so close, and even though there's a gap right here, you can't call it a hit. So we did not hit it. I'm in this trade with you guys, and I was like, man, I really wish we would have gone down further. I think you guys remember that video. But we're creating this reverse head and shoulders pattern on almost all the cryptos right here, where this is, guys, we can get very bullish, very, very bullish. If we break this, it could get insane, actually. I think Bitcoin could hit $70,000 before quarter one is over. And I did a video on that today if you guys watch that on the channel. Okay. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have like 10,000 bucks you want to throw in the market every time you get a green line, totally do that. We're probably going to see one come out here again pretty soon. So make sure you guys are watching out for that. Exit points in the market. This is the last metric here, and we'll go over the entries. When it gets high up here, guys, you're looking for drops. Solid drop there, solid drop here, solid drop here. So when you guys are watching this in the morning, I want you guys to be paying attention to this, because when this comes out next, we are going to be looking for that drop back down. So once we get in the profit, we'll be looking at that. So overall, we are seeing that this is a bullish market. Wells and institutions are buying. Smart money's buying. Emotions are very anxious and fearful right now, which is a great time to buy. good long trades here. However, in the meantime, I do believe, based off the metrics, because they have called the last 15 drops in a row that you guys have witnessed with me. That's why you guys want these indicators. Again, I'm going to unshamefully plug this. They're in the description, and you guys need to get the bundle pack that's 81% off today. You guys are going to save yourself so much money with that, and you guys are going to do so much better in your trading. I promise you. The amount of confidence that you're going to have when you have these indicators on your side to call these drops and these pumps, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, my eyes have been opened to crypto. It's going to be amazing. Okay, guys? So here's what I'm expecting in the long term. Long term, I am bullish. Okay, because we can see overall with the metrics, we're seeing that. But in the short term, let me be honest with you guys, I do think we're probably going to see a little bit of a pullback here because we were getting high on the trend exhaustion, high on the well money flow, and we're getting close to a descending resistance. So what I'm expecting over the next few days here is a high, a higher low, and then a higher high formation. That's what I'm looking and that's what I'm expecting because that's what the metrics are showing, that's what the indicators are showing, and our indicators and metrics are about 80% accurate. Okay, it's sometimes arguably like 85. Here's how you guys trade with me and take advantage of all of our metrics, all of our tools, and get everything. I know this is the cheapest membership out there, but we're going to be officially upping the price to $95 a month. But I want you guys to know this. Here's the deal. I want to honor you guys. I made sure the platform I use could do this, and I've checked 3 times. But here's the thing, guys. Everyone who signs up on our membership over here at $49 a month, and you guys are doing this with thousands of other traders over here, okay? You guys are going to be able to stay at $49 a month for as long as you want. As long as you don't unsubscribe, keep your membership for life. This is going to be going up. Literally, it's a hard date. February 25th. In less than a month, you guys are going to see this price go to $95. You will have to pay $46 more per month unless you guys just stay here at $49. I promise I will keep it for you guys, so make sure you're securing your spot here. That will give you access to all the metrics we just went over for all the coins. It's going to give you access to all the buy limits and every single trade setup that I take, all 102 wins. I'm going to show you guys in a second here how to access all those, even how to take a trade setup today. It will give you guys access in the Telegram channel and give you guys access into the inner circle. You guys can start watching the first video I did here. I'm going to start coming out with masterclass teachings for all of you guys with our membership. My original plan was to charge an entrance fee, probably about, I was thinking about $100 to $200 per masterclass that I teach you guys. And I was like, you know what, that's awesome. But what I decided to do was I'm going to start coming out with the training. Training 1 is out and it's just getting to know me. I thought, what a better way to start, masterclass trainings than to have you guys just to get to know me personally and where I am and all this stuff. So you guys are going to start getting these every week. I'm going to try to record 1 video a week of a masterclass. And then once a month was what we're shooting for, maybe more. We're going to actually do a live Zoom call starting in March with all of our members. I'm going to do an open Q&A session. We're going to go over the markets and we're all going to be together as a family over Zoom, and we're going to look at these markets with great depth, and we're going to just hang out as a family. That is going to be so much fun, and that is why we're honestly upping the price, because there's a lot of infrastructure that goes into that, and we're going to be doing some other things. So that's why we're upping prices here. So if you want to get into all of this that we have going, we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for cryptocurrency. We have the healthiest channel I can find. If you want to learn how I'm doing this and trading with more confidence, you guys need to lock in this membership right now. Okay. Now, here's the deal with how you guys set up trades. And let me show you this real quick. We're talking about Matic today. And so I will be getting into Matic. I do believe Matic is a very good coin. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm making myself dizzy over here. Matic, where'd you go? There we are. Okay. Polygon. I will be getting into Matic today. So, watch this. I'm going to show you guys this on Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our subscribers. Our metrics are going to update today at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's currently 7:27 recording this, so you guys have about 30 minutes. Here's what you're going to do to enter into all of our trades. I do believe this market's going to turn around, so I would highly suggest you guys get money in right now. Seriously, right now. I'm not your financial advisor. I want to make that clear, but I do believe now's the time to get money in. Take a look at this. Let's say you guys want to trade each of our coins with $1,000. You choose the amount, all right? Take this $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions, $250. Simply place 4 buy limits today in your exchange for $250 each, 25% of your trade allotment. And then once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set up a sell limit up here for the top. Again, once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit shown in green into your exchange for a 100% exit. All right. Now that you guys have that set up, how do you guys actually exit the trade in the profit, and how do you get updates? Well, that's what the Telegram and the indicators are for. So the Telegram channel, make sure you guys are signed in on Telegram on your personal phone or your computer first. Click this link right here, and then this will give you guys access directly into our Telegram channel that we have. And I update all these personally. I don't have a team member or anything. It's me that's updating all of these because I'm the one that trades this with my money. So I update all this, okay? I'm calling exits for you guys with the indicators that we're using. And remember the sell that I told you guys. So make sure you guys are getting the Telegram channel. The indicators that I mentioned to you that I'm using and I'm not going to stop using because they have literally helped us win every single one of our trades are these three. It's the price risk while money flow, it's the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are the three that are going up in price January 28th, which you guys have 2 days left. But here's the best deal. The bundle pack is going to actually give you guys 21% off on top of the actual discount code, which is the coupon code is called Save Money at checkout. You guys will get 58 to 60% off these three. If you guys just click right here and get the bundle pack, you will get 81% off every single one of our indicators. And pretty much for the same price you're going to pay for these three, you're actually going to get all 9 of these. So if you guys are into, moving average breakouts, you're into, the pressure gauge, which we jokingly call the jackpot indicator, which is just like ridiculous. Watch the videos for all these today, guys. At the 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before, the London breakout and the Forex mockup. Crazy, crazy accurate indicators. So make sure you guys are snagging this today. I don't do this too often, but we come over here and I like to show this to you guys sometimes. People just doing really well. This guy just made a quick $1,000 in the market over here. Let me go down here. We've got, and actually I don't want to go back too far. Let's just do this. This guy made $8,000 to $5,000. So I'm making a living wage, and he's looking at quitting his construction job because he's trading with our indicators and our metrics. $400 gain on Ethereum. God bless. Dude, that's super awesome. Good work, man. This guy over here, $700 up in his exchange, up $20,000 in crypto and stocks because of the trend exhaustion and price risk while money flow. These are the indicators going up, guys. Seriously, we've called the last 15 drops, and I'm almost positive, guys, we're going to see this be the 16th drop in a row that we're going to predict. Have that power in your hands. This guy over here, check this out. This is kind of fun. This guy, in the last 6 weeks, he's won 25 for 25 winning trades. He's never lost a trade, no leverage, and he's grown his account 50%. 50%. This guy over here does $1,700 in just 10 days on VET. Crazy. Travis, you have changed my life. I wish nothing but success and happiness. Guys, it's the indicators that P.S. Loving the new videos and with the sales and indicators. Up here, this guy up here says, where'd he go? I'll read this last. I just thought this was kind of funny. This guy up here says, people, buy the indicators and listen to Travis at the end. So anyways, you guys can look at that. Make sure today you guys are setting the indicators up because they are going to be going up in price. You have 2 days left. Get the bundle pack. It's just honestly the best deal. I have it linked in the description. And then make sure you guys are coming over here and getting the membership set up so you guys can trade with me and learn from me of how I'm trading this market here and how we're going to make money. I'm going to teach you guys how to trade for a living. Seriously. You can't trade for a living in pump coins. It's not possible. You have to have sustainable income to pay bills because bills are consistent and pump coins are not. So I'm going to show you guys how to stay consistently profitable in the market and not lose a bunch when the market goes down, but also keep your gains when the market goes up. We're going to be trading for a living. This is the first time I've ever disclosed this, but in the video here, I was talking to my wife last night about this. Our break-even point is 150,000. Our account's doing incredibly well right here. When we hit 200,000, we're going to take $100,000 out and we're actually going to put it towards a home because we're looking to buy another house right now. So once we get to $200,000 here, I'm going to take $100,000 out. So it's kind of a fun little benchmark we can all work together on, and it'll be a $50,000 profit. So most people, in a year right now in America, average wages, I would say are honestly, guys, between $32,000 to $38,000 for entry jobs, actually maybe a lot less. Once you get into the higher levels, maybe $45,000, $47,000. We're going to try to do $50,000 this year. We might actually crush 50,000, by the way. We may go a whole lot higher than $50,000. We may actually do $100,000 profit this year, which is far past a normal salary. But I'm going to do this with extremely good risk management, and we're going to win some more trades here, and we have never taken a loss. So guys, when I say come over here and join me, I'm not just trying to just make this like a pump thing on YouTube. Seriously, I've done this for so long, and I want you guys to get in over here at $49 a month, because when it goes up, I can't honor this again. And the amount of value that I know that's coming for you guys, I promise you, you will not regret that. So guys, God bless you so much. I'm looking for a temporary drop in Matic. And then I'm looking for that move back up here, a break and retest, basically a drop, break, retest, and a move back up, guys, is what I'm looking for. And this could get extremely bullish. And a 235 move is not unlikely. So definitely be watching this, guys. All right, guys, everything you need is in the description. I love you so much. God bless you guys. And I'll see you on the next video. And I'll see you in the inner circle. All right, bye, guys.